guys, most welcome to the new video. In today's video I want to show you how to write Arabic letters and also how to write a verse of Quran, Surah of Quran in MSword program. So let's to begin, guys. If you want to write something, it means simple letters. It means if you want to write a Pashto or maybe another language, but it's looking, it means simple. But if you want to write like here, I want to write like this one. Look at that, it is not looking like as Arabic letter. So right, let's begin, guys. For this you should open your browse, and browse you should write there only you have to write here Muhammadi fonts. Muhammadi fonts you should write. So when you write that, then you have to press enter. So after this, the first like Muhammadi Quranic fonts, the file download, so you should click on that one. So when you open that one, it means there is a website which it means it has lots of fonts of Quranic fonts. You can download easily every font which are related, like this one. This is a website, you can download lots of fonts. But look at that, this is Muhammadi Quranic fonts file. But if you first, you should download this one. Look at, there is like information of the file version and also downloading and more other like it means the file says just you should download there, but I have downloaded. So and also for more you should click there Arabic fonts, you should click there Quranic fonts, and also Bismillah font and more other fonts you can find. But I want to click on the Quranic fonts. You should click there, and after this look at that, when it is opened, then Quranic fonts, then you have to go down like this. So here like it means like here this is Al-Qalam Quranic Majeed, Quranic Majeed fonts and more other. You can download and also TTF file and also zip file. Zip file is the best, you should download this one. Then you have to click on the download. If you want to download any other, like this is also the best. You can also download PDMS Saleem Quranic fonts. You should download this, it's also the best font. You should download this one. But only it's not very heavy, just it is very light. You can download any font that you love or find, it means it is the best for you. Then you can click on it to just download it. When you have download, but so after look at that, I have downloaded. So here I must click on the download bar, and there is like this is PDMS. I will double click on it, then I have to click there, and also this is fonts. Double click. When you double click, then there is the install, just you should click on it. Then I have already installed. But this message will not be there on your computer, so I have installed. So just this is an install process, but it's over. After this you can see these all things, just keep the name of it in your mind. Then you have to go there and write everything. Like here I want to write Arabic style, or it means like I want to write, it means change this letter, it means this text to Arabic fonts. Just you should write here, it means click there, and you must click only Muhammadi fonts M, then you have to click on it. So we can look at that, this is Muhammadi font, but I want to change it again back to there. But so you should click there, we have other fonts like this one, and also you can find like this one. This is also the best PDMS Saleem Quran font. You can, it means when you select this one, after that you can write it means any letter. If you want to write, it will be looking or it will be writing in Arabic style. So this is a style, but it was the letter. There is I have written this in another font, therefore there is a problem. You can select any other, like for example this is the most popular font that we should use. But if you want to write Arabic letters, you should download funds. Okay, when you have downloaded these all funds or maybe some of them, then you have to accommodate there. If you want to, it means words of Quran, like I have, like here, do you know, this is the words of Quran, but how, for example, you need to the words of Quran, but how can you copy it, or from where you can copy? So you should click there and you must write here, um, write down here, Quran.com. You should write like this one, like here, you know, when you click on it, like this is Quran.com, this one. So here, when you have written Quran.com, in Quran.com you can read all the things, like before I have written Quran.com. So here is all the related information, or it means like we can copy the words of Quran, like here, this you can search here surah, which surah is do you want, so which surah is the best, like for you, it you want to search for it to find the words of that word surah, just you should click on it. If you want to find verses, you should click on the verse, then you have to type there the verse of Quran, just in also page or anything, if you want in the Quran to search or to find the words of that maybe about the para, or maybe a verse of the Quran, just you can search there, but immediately you can find it, just you, and that time you will copy it. For example, I will click there, but this I want to copy this one, but you should click here, it means you should select, then you have to copy, then you should go there to paste.